Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial series, we are learning the Kinter module of Python to make best UI applications. And in this video, we are going to discuss about playground and projects. Playground in the sense of the IDE we are going to use and the projects which we will make in this whole tutorial series and some other step. So if you want to learn something, if you want to build something, then stay tuned with the video. So as earlier discussed about the project and the playground, we are going to the playground as a PyCharm. PyCharm ID best ID ever I had seen for the Python. So in this tutorial series, we are going to use PyCharm as an IDE. IDE stands for the Integrated Development Environment. So talking about the projects, in this tutorial series, we are going to make some best projects like Notepad, calculator, and a form of sticky notes. So two are mentioned here like Notepad and calculator. Let's see the projects and which like the projects in the sense which makes a really impact. Like if you are on the boring console and you make something GUI like things, then it really makes you eager to learn something new. So let's go into the in my computer and watch some projects that what I have prepared for you and what you will going to make in the whole video series. So first of all, let's see the what the calculator. Let's see the calculator. This is the calculator which we are going to use. So don't worry about the black console that which is in the black one. This is here about that some print statement that what are the exception I want to print through the print statement in Python and all. So let's see the calculator. This is the calculator, and like if you want to do some calculation and like 9 minus 7, so what will the output will be 2. And in the sense like you click on the C button, it will clear the whole screen and all the mathematical operations you can perform over it. If you want to make it like some logarithm application, you can by using the Python module of log, you can make it more better than expected. So like 3 minus 2, it will give the answer as 1. So like our calculator is working very fine. You can add two zeros, percent, divide, and all the thing. If you try to write some unaware thing like lighting divide and you want to not dividing something, then on clicking it will give the error as expected. So was the calculator, and in the notepad, this is the notepad which we are going to use in the whole tutorial series. Notepad, as you said, the Microsoft Notepad, it is working similarly like that. Like you clicking on the file, you can make new files, and by you can write whatever you want. You can just copy it by click on edit. You can cut it and paste it and whatever you want. By click on help, you can go to the sections like about, then about section, show info, all the things like developer info. And in from file you can just like save. So save here and it will get saved to your PC, like where you want to save. Like I want to save it on desktop, so save it here and see the file saved like you written in the file console. So by clicking on file and open, you will go to the desktop and write where the file. This is the untitled file because we had not given any name. So writing open the file, you will get the result and what the words we had already written into the previous untitled txt notepad. So this was the whole notepad we are going to design in the tutorial series as in the final project. So don't worry, stay tuned with the video. You will learn so much stuff in this tutorial series, and this is my whole effort to teach you the best things in the Kinter module. Like try to make you till you can make best applications for yourself. So this was the whole project schema. So come to the here and talking about that why we are using Python here. We are using Python because Python syntax is easy. We can design so many things in Python, and using the Python gives us so much good modules that you can use with it too. Like in the WX Python, we have already discussed about the so much Python modules for designing the GUI as WX Python by Qt. All the things like WX Python is by the Java. So I think Python is best one to design all these things. This could be done in the C++ and all the languages, whatever you want. But in Python, I'm doing that. You can do so many things in the short line of steps. That's why I had designed this tutorial series in Python language. So stay tuned with the video and don't worry. In the next tutorial series, we are going to learn that how you can write your first program and in Python, like first GUI application in Python, the simple window, how it looks like and all, and creating the folder and creating the projects into the Kinter GUI application. So don't worry, you will be in your team, like which is designing best GUI application for yourself and for your team, for your community and all. So don't worry about the video, stay tuned with the video, watch the full tutorial series, and once hit the like button to subscribe the channel. And if you want to list yourself in my student list, then comment below.